The psychology of love between a man and a woman. Love. A word that stirs the heart, confuses the mind, and shapes lives. But what if love isn't just about the butterflies or the chemistry? What if it's a carefully wired cocktail of psychology, biology, and culture? Today, let's explore the psychology of love between a man and a woman, how it starts, how it grows, and sometimes, how it breaks. 1. What is love, psychologically? Psychologists define love not just as a feeling, but as a complex emotional and cognitive state involving attachment, care, passion, and commitment. Psychologist Robert Sternberg proposed the triangular theory of love, which says love has three main components: intimacy, emotional closeness; passion, physical attraction and desire; commitment, decision to stay together. Depending on the balance of these, love can take many forms: infatuation, friendship, romantic love, or even empty love. And behind the scenes, chemicals like dopamine, pleasure; oxytocin, bonding; serotonin, mood; testosterone and estrogen, desire. These are what make your heart race, your hands sweat, and your thoughts obsess when you're in love. 2. Attraction, why we fall. Attraction begins way before love. It's the spark. For men, research shows visual cues play a big role: symmetry, youthfulness, facial features. Evolutionary psychology suggests men may be unconsciously attracted to signs of fertility. For women, status, confidence, voice tone, and security are key signals. According to studies by David Buss, women tend to prefer men who show resourcefulness, strength, and emotional intelligence, signals of stability. But it's not all biology. Shared values, humor, language, and even smell, yes, pheromones, influence who we're drawn to. We don't fall in love with someone because they're perfect. We fall in love because something about them feels like home. 3. The stages of love. Psychologists break romantic love into phases. Lust, 0 through 6 months. Driven by hormones, passion is high. Your brain is literally on a dopamine high. Attraction, 6 through 18 months. You start to idealize each other. Conversations go deep. You stay up late talking. Attachment, 1.5 years, plus oxytocin increases, the bond deepens. Real life sets in, love matures into partnership. And here's the truth. Men tend to fall in love faster, but women often love longer once emotionally invested. According to brain scans, men show more activation in visual centers when seeing their partner, while women show greater emotional memory activation, indicating deeper emotional processing. 4. Gender psychology and love. Men and women may love equally deeply but differently. Men often express love through actions, providing, fixing, protecting; may struggle with emotional expression due to social conditioning; need space during stress; retreat to think it through. Women often express love through words and emotional connection, value verbal affection, validation, and shared attention; seek closeness during stress; talking relieves anxiety. This difference can lead to misunderstandings. She wants to talk about the storm; he wants to build a shelter. Relationship therapist insight. Understanding these differences is key to empathy, not blame. 5. Conflict and growth. All love faces conflict. Psychologist John Gottman, who studied thousands of couples, says the 4 horsemen of love breakdown are criticism, contempt, defensiveness, stonewalling. But couples who express appreciation, manage stress together, and repair conflict quickly are far more likely to last. Growth in love means learning to fight fair, apologize sincerely, speak each other's love language. Dr. Gary Chapman, words, acts, gifts, time, touch. Real love isn't constant passion, it's consistent effort. 6. Emotional safety and long-term love. Long-term love is built on emotional safety, a space where you can be seen, heard, and accepted without fear. According to attachment theory, our adult relationships mirror how we bonded in childhood. Securely attached people build trust faster. Avoidant types fear closeness. Anxious types seek constant reassurance. Understanding your own attachment style can transform how you give and receive love. Pro tip: emotional intimacy is deepened not just by big events, but by small moments of connection, daily gratitude, laughter, presence. Love between a man and a woman is not just a feeling. It's a decision, a practice, and a journey. It's where psychology meets poetry, where biology meets belief, and where two people choose every day not just to be together, but to grow together. So the next time your heart races or your soul aches, remember, love isn't madness. It's magnificent psychology in motion. If you enjoyed this episode, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Drop a comment. What's the most surprising thing you've learned about love?